Alright folks, today we're going to be doing not multiplication but division once again. Alright, let's select our level. Okay, boom bajoom. So here's our first question. Remember, division is almost like backwards multiplication, so let's do it. The first one, what times 2 is equal to 2? Well, try to think about it. Remember, 1 was the number. If you multiply anything by it, it gives you back it. Cloud times 1 is cloud. Rock times 1 is rock. Face times face. Oh, sorry. Face times 1 is face. So anything times 1 is itself. So what do you think we have to multiply 2 by to get itself? Well, you guessed right. 1. Let's try the next one out, okay? The next one is asking us, what do we have to multiply 3 by to get 9? Try to think. Remember your times tables. If you don't remember, 3 times 1 is 9. Go ahead and watch the 3 times table video. But if you do know what 3 times something is 9, well, 3 times 3 is 9, right? So let's check. Huzzah. Let's do more. 4 times what is 16? Well, let's try to count up the 4 times table. Is 4 times 0 16? No, 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. And huzzah! That's 16. Let's do some more. Let's do some more. So, what about 12? What do we have to multiply 4 by to get 12? Well, hopefully you remember. If you don't remember, watch the 4 times table video. But if you do remember, let's go ahead and do the 4 times table in our heads, okay? Let's see if we can do this. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. Oh, too much. Let's rewind. 4 times 3, I said, is 12. And so we know the answer is 3. Keep going. What do we have to multiply 5 by to get back 5? Well, remember, to get back the same thing, we always use 1, right? 1 times anything is anything, right? A cloud times 1 is a cloud. A face times 1 is a face. A rock times 1 is a rock. A glass times 1 is a glass. So 5 times 1 is... Next one. 5 times what is 10? Well, think about it. Let's do the 5 times table. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. And huzzah! 5 times 2 is 10. Next one. What do we multiply 4 by to get 8? Well, let's do it up. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. And, well, that's it. There it is. 8. Next one. 4 times what is 20? Well, that's where we use division, folks. All this time that you thought you were doing multiplication, you've just been doing division backwards. So let us get to business. Here I have 4 times what is 20. To find out what that what is, here's what I'm going to do. That what is equal to 20 over 4, also known as 20 divided by 4. And you remember your times tables? You remember? Come on, try your best. What's 20 divided by 4? Well, try to think about it. 20 times 4, let's see. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. There we go. That means 20 divided by 4 is 5. Okay. Let's go back to our Chrome and we can write 5 right here. We got it. Next one. What do we multiply 4 by to get 12? Well, this one is kind of weird, but let's take a screenshot. And let's go back to our whiteboard and let's do some division. Let's smack out some division on our tables. So let's copy that, paste it right on the whiteboard. Let's see if it'll paste. No, it's not pasting. Let's see. Copy this. So paste and huzzah. Okay, great. So what is this mystical, magical, empty box? Well, think, what do I have to multiply 4 by to get 12? Well, same way of asking that question is what's 12 divided by 4? You can also write that as 12 over 4. Well, 12 over 4, that's gonna be 3, right? Do you know why? Well, think about it. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12. And so the answer to our question mark is just gonna be 3. Okay, so let me go ahead and put that right in here and check. Hopefully that's been a good enough division lesson for you. Thanks for watching this lecture of math. We'll check you out next time. If you have any other questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll check you out next time.